601 speed.
Bravo 601, there's an old patient, we've been called over to him who currently has a fractured ankle at the Enigma bar. We'll stand by for the Grisham Place job for SAPOL, and the Astra guys will go over and treat that person. It's more likely he's going to be a carry.
Roger that, just confirming you're going to take over the Rosemont Hotel job, and Ashford's going to be doing a query fractured ankle, is that?
Affirmative.
Thank you.
Dispatch number is 77. 156, 157.
Roger.
Lincoln 101, morning 42, the Lincoln Highway, halfway between Tumby and Port Neal. Vehicle rollover. Some of the details I have is driver still in the vehicle, bleeding and unresponsive. I should get a crew out of Tumby Bay. Your dispatch number is 83, 157. 202, and any suggestions for recalling people from 10 encryption?